Shalom, this is your Ark. Yah is magnified. Coming back with another informative video. I titled this video, Another Driving License Reinstatement Testimony. But before I tackle this subject, as always, I must state for the record, I'm not a lawyer, I do not practice law, and I do not pretend to. All my videos are for informational and educational purposes only. They're all facts and all truth. Nothing more, nothing less. So with that being said, let's get to it. Alright, Ark. Shalom, Ark.
Shalom, what's going on?
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, man.
Alright, the floor is yours.
Alright, where do I start? So I've been fighting this whole thing for about maybe like going on 3 years now. You know, every man knows how it is, how it starts. You know, you with, the kid's mom, everything's going good until you either A, move on or she moves on, then they put you in the system. But anyway, first came to this journey, every person who I think, who is fighting it, probably looked on Google, looked here and there, and found, there really wasn't a lot of results, but probably, a couple other characters online. I ain't gonna put no names out there, but y'all know what he is. But anyway, I was following one, he's all talking about Title 4D and everything else, explaining it. That's cool. I'll try to hit the guy up for services. He charged me like $35 through PayPal just to have like a 30-minute conversation. And his answer to my, his remedy was basically I should try to get the establishment of fraternity or something like that. I'm like, okay, that's pretty rude, but I guess that's cruel, but whatever, I feel comfortable with that. So I'm not finding another cat. And, I got his paperwork, so a lot of gibberish, I had to edit out my own, I had to edit the stuff out. Basically, it was a template, like supposed to be like an all for one for all. Trash, man. So, I ended up trying it, with the court and everything with it, and I thought I was going to get a remedy. Nope. After about 6 months, judge reviewed it and said that, my case was denied. So, I'm still stuck in the system. So anyway, there's actually another cat. He's actually unknown. Like, he pretty much deleted his page after some stuff happened. But I went to him before, coming to Yah is Magnified, and he was a follower of Amun Osiris. So he's all talking about, UCCs and, being a Moor and all this other stuff. It sounded real good, man. So I'm like, whatever, man. So I'll try to get his brother a try. So, I followed a few of his methods. We did some here and there things. And I ended up, trying his method. I went to court, and then, the magistrate, they're all playing games with me, trying to keep me in the system. And then after that, me and him fell out, just about some other stupid stuff. So I was like, man, let me go ahead and give, Y'all is Magnified. Let me give him a chance, because, my funds were low. Child support beat me up pretty bad. So I ended up, making a donation, and then we got the ball rolling. And then, he's kind of helped me with the case that I'm going through now. So it's kind of like, trying to pick up the pieces, help me out with that and clean it up, from the other guy that I was dealing with. But results been good, results been great, I've been beating up the courts and beating up the agency anytime they send that mess to me, So, but anyway, when it comes to this situation that we're talking about today, the other day I was actually, riding my motorcycle, and I got pulled over. And they said that my license was suspended. I'm scratching my head like, what? Oh, okay, I didn't get no notifications, no nothing in the mail. Whatever, man. So I ended up getting locked up for the day, posted bail, and I got out. Checked the status of my license. As soon as I got home, it said suspended. Okay, cool. Now, and as y'all can see on the screen, it says, for child support. I'm like, wow, okay, they got me. Cool, whatever. So I went ahead, paid a little restatement fee, and everything was rolling. Now today, Terry hits me up. I'm gonna tell you about Y'all is Magnified hit me up, just to check, to make sure everything was okay. And then when I checked again, I see something different. I see that it says, no case found. So I'm like, how does it go from child support to no case found? As if like, they're trying to sweep it underneath the rug. I said, this is my first time ever happening to me. It's a big mystery that it did happen, so I'm kind of tripping. And me and y'all, we over here laughing about it, man, because it's like the Matrix, man, like a glitch of the Matrix. They playing games, how it goes from it's on there to now it disappears, it doesn't exist. It's crazy, man. But I'm not gonna be mad about it. It's a blessing. It's a small victory. I can travel and make ends meet, man. So I'm happy with it.
Oh, most deaf, most deaf. We're gonna look at the date. I got it back on the first screen now on the date of the suspension, and as you can see, it was suspended February 7th, 2019, because you called me soon as you got out of jail, and I'm like suspended. I'm like you was in. I was like, what? I asked you. I said, what was you locked up for? I'm like, you ain't have a court date or nothing, right? You was like, nah, I have a court date. But I'm like, so what they arrest you for? You said, man, I think it's for child support. I was like, child support? He was like, yeah. Then you said, well, let me go and check. And then you went and checked, and he's like, yep, I told you so, man. It's for child support. So I said, all right, we're going to take care of that. So, we took care of it. And today, as they can see on the screen, February 2019, which is today, your license status is now valid. And the case is like gone, like you said. So, like you said, it's a small victory, but it's a big victory at the same time because you can still drive. And did you pay them anything, bro? The agency?
No, I didn't pay them a dime.
Did,
Like it was the DMV, that I had to talk to and handle the situation with, and everything's good.
yeah. And but I also wanted to ask you, did you have to make an agreement with the agency to get your license back?
Nope, nope, not at all.
Okay, I'm just asking that because you have people that say, you have to pay to get your license back, or you have to make some type of agreement with the agency to get your license back.
Nah, man, nah. Like I said, anytime you send me some mess in the mail, me and you, we we send it back with our all correspondence, man. And, they leave me alone since we've been beating them up through the mail like that. Nah, I didn't pay them cats a dime.
I say, only thing you paid them was no mind, huh, man? Paid them no attention.
Facts.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. Anything else you want to say to the brothers before you roll?
I mean, you probably say it in every video, man. I mean, it's all a fight, man. You got to fight, keep it pushing. Trust in y'all, trust in my man. Y'all is magnified, and just don't give up, man. Like I said, I've been fighting this joint since like 2016, and I knew it wasn't gonna be a quick, easy victory. I thought it was, but nah, man. But trust me, it's well worth it, man. Just keep up the fight, man. Don't give up, please don't.
Exactly. Exactly. All right. So with that being said, you all heard it from him. If you all need my help, hit me up in my email at y'allismagnified@gmail.com. Make sure y'all serious and make sure y'all ready to get this ball rolling when y'all hit me up. So with that being said, my Ark, I say shalom.
Shalom, brother.
All right, peace.